working on GMetrix PowerPoint Multi-Project 3. We're currently working on Project 4, which is called Candy. The first task asks us to go ahead and go to Slide 2, and what it wants us to do is to group the image and the Armado text box. So we'll go ahead and select the first image, and then what you want to do is hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select the second image, or the second box, which is the text box. With both of those selected, there's a few ways you can do this. I'm just going to right click and click group, and now that's one thing. We'll click mark completed. Slide 3 asks us to go ahead and we're going to insert a table in the left placeholder, and the number of columns is 1 and the rows is 10. So we'll go ahead and key that. Puts the table in for us, and what we want to do is change the style to a light style 3 accent 3. So I believe it's this one. If you're not sure, you want to make sure you hover so that you select the correct style. Click mark completed. Task 3 asks us to stay on this third slide, and what we're going to do is import a file, flavors, Excel sheet, into the right placeholder box. And so what I'm doing is I'm putting my cursor in that box. Then I'm going to go to the Insert tab here at the top, and in the text group we want to select Object. And we don't want to create a new file. What we want to do is create from file. And so with that, we'll go ahead and click Browse. We'll find our GMetrix folder, and we want to find the flavors file. We'll double click or click OK. We'll click OK here, and it went ahead and it will populate that for us. We'll click mark completed. We're going to go ahead and go to slide 4, and what we're doing here is inserting a pie chart. So this is your insert chart. If you click that, we'll click pie, and we can select that. I usually double click, or you can click OK. Now notice this right here pops up. For this question, it tells us to just go ahead and use the default, so we can just close out of it, and the chart's there, so we can click mark completed. And on slide 6, it asks us to go ahead and change this list right here to Smart Art. So you're going to go ahead and select the bullets. We're going to go ahead and right click here and click Convert to Smart Art. And then what we want to do is look for the basic timeline. It's this one. So we'll click that, and we'll click mark completed.